PrivacyGuard Honest Review. Watch before using. PrivacyGuard is a comprehensive identity protection and credit monitoring service designed for individuals who want to safeguard their personal information in an increasingly digital world. PrivacyGuard offers three key packages: identity protection, credit protection, and total protection, catering to different security needs. The standout feature is its triple bureau credit monitoring, which gives you real-time alerts from all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is crucial for catching potential identity theft early. It also includes dark web monitoring, public record scanning, and financial account monitoring, ensuring that your sensitive data is protected across multiple fronts. PrivacyGuard's Total Protection package combines identity and credit monitoring, offering the most comprehensive coverage, ideal for anyone who wants both strong credit management and full identity protection. PrivacyGuard is built for people who are serious about their online security. Whether you're concerned about identity theft, keeping track of your credit health, or simply looking for an all-in-one service to manage both. The service also offers up to $1 million in identity theft insurance, which covers legal fees and other costs if your identity is compromised, adding an extra layer of financial security. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to navigate and check their credit score, alerts, or reports without needing to be tech-savvy. On the downside, PrivacyGuard does come with a monthly fee, which might be higher than some competitors, especially if you're opting for the Total Protection plan. Also, unlike some other services, it doesn't offer free trials or family plans, which could be a drawback for users looking for multi-user protection under one subscription. In summary, PrivacyGuard excels at providing robust, real-time credit and identity protection, but its cost might be a deciding factor. If you're willing to invest in your security, this service is a solid choice. However, if you're just looking for basic protection, the higher-end plans may feel like overkill.